What should you expect as your PMP exam? The PMP exam is a comprehensive test that evaluates not only your knowledge of project management concepts, but also tests your ability to apply them in real world scenarios. Understanding the exam structure is a crucial first step in your preparation. By familiarizing yourself with format, question types, and the time allocation, you can develop a focused strategy to maximize your performance. This structured approach ensures that you can confidently navigate the exam without any surprises. PMP exam is designed to test your ability to apply these skills and also your analytical skills. It comprises 180 multiple choice questions that must be completed in 230 minutes. The exam includes two optional 2 minutes breaks, strategically placed to help you reset your refocus. While PMI does not disclose the exact passing score, the exam is evaluated using a psychometric approach, meaning a constant performance across various domains is critical for success. The proper time management and pacing yourself through the exam are very important. So, as we discussed earlier, what do you expect to be tested based on? So, the people domain focuses on the leadership, communication, and team management. That holds about 42% of the questions. The process domain evaluates your ability to handle a technical aspects like scheduling and budgeting and risk management, and that has 50% of the questions. The last domain that you will be tested on is the business environment, which tests your understanding of how aligning the projects with the organization goals and the external factors that only contribute with 8% of you. So knowing the percentage of the questions in each domain helps you to prioritize your study efforts and ensure a balanced preparation. Next, let's talk about the type of questions that you may encounter within your test. You'll have three main types of question, including the situational questions. These are test problem solving in real world scenarios. Formula based questions focusing on the calculation like the AVM or earned value management, which you're going to cover later in this course. Also, in your knowledge based, covering the theoretical understanding of the concepts. To focus on the situational questions requires you to analyze project scenarios and choose the best course of action. These often have multiple um, answers, so critical thinking is very essential here. To highlight more about the formal based questions, that tests your ability to perform calculations and interpret results. Memorizing key formulas like EVM and understanding their application is very crucial also. The knowledge based questions are straightforward and assess your recall of the PM book terminology, definitions, and processes. Practicing each question type will ensure that a well rounded preparation will help you succeed by passing this exam. I'm gonna focus on each type of these questions types so you may have more familiarity with with such questions. Again, to talk about the situational questions test your ability to apply the knowledge to a practical problems in real world scenarios. For example, you may be asked how to handle a resource conflict during a critical project phase. While several options might seem correct, selecting the best answer depends on your understanding of project management principles, stakeholder management, and ethical decision making. Practicing situational question will help you to develop the analytical skills needed to excel in this area. Next, you have the formula based questions. Formula based questions assess your quantitative skills and ability to analyze project data. The common areas you might face questions is EVM, or the critical path analysis, or the risk analysis, which we are going to discover depth in the later session of this course. EVM, or the earned value management, which mainly focus understanding the cost and the schedule performance using metrics like the CPI, which is the cost performance index, the or the SPI, which is the schedule performance index. The critical path analysis by identifying the longest path in the project schedule to determine the shortest possible project duration. Also, you might face some, risk analysis formulas, calculating the probabilities and the expected monetary value to assess risk impact. Which again, as I said, that we are gonna dive depth in each of these formulas, and we will see how to calculate such formulas. So revisiting these formulas and practicing their application prior to the exam by a day or two, uh, this will boost your confidence and speed, will help you speed your uh, answers to these questions during the exam.